Hi. They were awake now, huh? This is Shimmer's puppies. Yes, they were all awake now. We were taking a nap before. Yes. Hi, guys. Hi, babies. I know front and center in the very, very middle. I know that's Dude, because he has a white spot on his head. And I think this is Mighty, because he's the smallest. Oh, that might be Mighty on the right. I don't know. Mighty's the small. Look. When you talk. Hi, guys. Hi. Yeah, there's the babies. I know Mommy's coming. Mommy's going to jump in because she doesn't like me keeping her out. Yeah. Go see Mommy? You go see your baby? Yeah, there's the babies. There's the little babies. What you doing? Huh? What you guys doing? Yeah. Hi. Hi.